GE Healthcare is a global medtech and diagnostic organization, and we have around 54,000 employees. My name is D. Duraikanu. A lot of people call me DD. Currently, I am working with the GE Healthcare as a simulation lead mechanical engineer. My job is to focus on anesthesia delivery. Purely every design decision is made using simulation from SOLIDWORKS. We are coming up with an innovative design which helps the product development cycle to move faster, solving everything within the SOLIDWORKS simulation tool. Everything is already inbuilt within the tool. That makes me to run multiple jobs and then compare all the performance criteria within SOLIDWORKS simulation from different failure modes like static, model, buckling. We do a design in SOLIDWORKS, validate the design virtually in SOLIDWORKS simulation, and then after seeing the performance of 5 to 6 concepts, we go and test it. So the accuracy level within SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium is really good for us. Every SOLIDWORKS user must have a simulation access.